A socks knitting machine is a specialized textile machine used to produce socks automatically instead of hand knitting. It's widely used in garment factories and also available in smaller versions for home use. It's a machine that uses needles, yarn, and computerized control to knit socks in a circular or flat structure. Modern machines can produce a full sock with minimal manual work. Types of socks knitting machines. Circular sock knitting machine most common, knit socks in a tube shape, seamless. High-speed production, used in factories and small businesses. Best for commercial production. Computerized socks knitting machine, fully automated with pattern control. Can knit multicolor, jacquard, terry socks. Uses servo motors and LCD control panels, best for large-scale production. Flatbed knitting machine, knits flat fabric, then stitched into socks, best for custom designs, small workshops. Hand crank sock knitting machine, simple, cheaper, beginner-friendly. Best for hobby or small business. Key features: modern machines can knit 16 plus colors in one design. Automatic oiling and yarn break detection. Adjustable size kids to adults. Speed up to 300 to 350 RPM. Production up to 300 plus pairs per day depending on model. Advantages: very fast production minutes per sock. Consistent quality, low labor cost, complex designs possible. Disadvantages: high initial investment. Requires technical setup, maintenance needed.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.